Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a public coffee machine. First, approach the machine and confirm it's ready for use. Take a moment to browse the menu and select your preferred drink, whether it's a classic coffee, a latte, or something else. Some machines might require a specific cup or payment, so be sure to check for those details before proceeding. Once you've made your selection, it's time for payment if necessary. Many machines accept various methods, including coins, credit cards, or even mobile payment apps. After payment, customize your drink to your liking, perhaps adding extra sugar or milk. Finally, position your cup correctly under the dispenser to avoid any spills. With your cup in place and preferences set, press the Start button to initiate the brewing cycle. The machine will then begin preparing your drink, which usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. During this time, please stand clear of the dispensing area. Once the brewing is complete, carefully retrieve your hot beverage, being mindful of its temperature. After enjoying your coffee, remember to practice good public etiquette. Please dispose of any trash, such as stirrers or sugar packets, in the nearest bin. If there are any small spills, a quick wipe with a napkin helps keep the area clean. Leaving the machine tidy ensures a pleasant experience for everyone who uses it after you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.